Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to the most stunning islands in the Philippines, each one offering its own unique natural wonders. From crystal clear waters and hidden lagoons to breathtaking beaches and towering cliffs, these islands are true paradises waiting to be explored. If you're a travel enthusiast or simply love discovering beautiful places, this is the video for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible adventures around the world. Tap the notification bell so you never miss out on exploring these hidden gems with us. Let's dive in. Siargao Island, known as the surfing capital of the Philippines, Siargao is famous for its clear waters, idyllic lagoons, and vibrant marine life. Cloud 9 is a popular spot for surfers, while the Sugba Lagoon and Magpupunco rock pools provide opportunities for kayaking and swimming in crystal clear waters. Palawan, El Nido and Coron. Palawan's pristine beauty is unmatched, with towering limestone cliffs, hidden lagoons, and white sand beaches. El Nido is perfect for island hopping, while Coron offers shipwreck diving, hot springs, and crystal clear Camiguin Lake, often dubbed the cleanest lake in the Philippines. Camiguin Island. Camiguin is a small volcanic island offering diverse landscapes. Visitors can enjoy cold and hot springs, picturesque waterfalls, and the famous White Island, a shifting sandbar with panoramic views of surrounding volcanoes. The island's natural beauty is perfect for adventurers and nature lovers. Bohol, Panglao, and Balikasag Islands. Bohol's natural beauty is not only seen in its famous chocolate hills, but also in Panglao's stunning beaches and Balikasag Island's vibrant coral reefs. Panglao offers pristine white sand beaches, while Balikasag is a popular spot for snorkeling and diving, where you can encounter turtles and colorful fish. Siquijor Island. Siquijor is an island of waterfalls, caves, and pristine beaches. Camiguin Falls is one of the island's most visited spots, while Salagdung Beach offers cliff jumping into turquoise waters. The island remains peaceful and relatively untouched, perfect for quiet retreats and nature exploration. Caramoan Peninsula, Camiguin Sur. Caramoan Peninsula is home to isolated white sand beaches, limestone cliffs, and clear blue waters. Its islands, like Matucad and Lajos, are perfect for snorkeling, swimming, and enjoying the untouched natural scenery. It's an ideal destination for adventurous travelers who love island hopping. Romblon Island. Romblon Island is an underrated gem with serene beaches and some of the clearest waters in the Philippines. The island's natural beauty is ideal for swimming and snorkeling, especially at Bonbon Beach. The area is relatively untouched by mass tourism, offering a peaceful getaway. If you loved our video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create even better videos and bring more amazing adventures straight to you. Thanks for watching.